Welcome to Car Vibes, where today we explore the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a classic that blends elegant European design with the simplicity and reliability of Volkswagen engineering. This car has held its place as one of the most stylish and approachable classics for decades, offering a unique mix of beauty, charm, and usability that still turns heads today. From the outside, the Karmann Ghia's design is a masterpiece. Born from the collaboration between German coachbuilder Karmann and the Italian design house Ghia, its flowing lines, low stance, and graceful curves create an instantly recognizable silhouette. The rounded nose, chrome accents, and perfectly proportioned body panels exude a timeless elegance that few cars have matched. Unlike mass-produced vehicles of its time, the Karmann Ghia's body was hand-finished, giving it a level of craftsmanship that feels special even decades later. Available in both coupe and convertible versions, it has a presence that's sporty without being aggressive and elegant without being overstyled. The chrome bumpers, delicate trim, and jewel-like round headlights only add to its appeal, making it a car that looks as good parked as it does in motion. Inside, the Karmann Ghia continues its theme of simplicity and charm. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, often color-matched to the exterior paint, with a set of classic round gauges providing just the essentials. The steering wheel is slim and stylish, with a simple horn ring that feels delightfully vintage. Seats are upholstered in durable vinyl, available in a variety of colors to complement the exterior. While space is limited, the front seats offer a surprisingly comfortable position for long drives, and the small rear seat works for occasional passengers or extra storage. There's no unnecessary luxury here. Everything is functional, minimal, and built to last. It's an interior that encourages a pure driving connection, free from distractions. Performance in the Karmann Ghia is not about speed but about the joy of driving. Early versions came with a 1.2-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine borrowed from the Beetle, producing modest power, with later models moving up to 1.5 and 1.6-liter variants. Acceleration is gentle, but the car's lightweight and responsive handling make it an engaging drive. The manual gearbox is smooth and rewarding, ideal for those who enjoy the tactile feel of shifting gears. The air-cooled engine delivers a distinctive sound that adds character, and its mechanical simplicity means it's easy to maintain and repair, which is a big plus for classic car owners. On the road, the Karmann Ghia offers an enjoyable and relaxed experience. Its compact size and light steering make it nimble in tight spaces, while its low center of gravity gives it a planted feel on winding roads. The ride is comfortable for a small vintage car, soaking up bumps better than you might expect. It's happiest at moderate cruising speeds, where you can appreciate the scenery and the car's timeless style without rushing. This is a car for leisurely drives, not drag races, and that's exactly where its charm lies. When it comes to pricing, the Karmann Ghia has steadily climbed in value over the years as collectors recognize its significance and beauty. Project cars needing restoration can still be found at lower prices, sometimes under $10,000, making them appealing for enthusiasts willing to put in the work. Well-maintained examples, however, typically range from $20,000 to $30,000, while fully restored, original condition cars, especially rare early models or convertibles, can reach $40,000 or more. With its increasing demand, owning a Karmann Ghia isn't just about enjoying a beautiful drive, but also about holding onto and appreciating piece of automotive history. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia remains one of the most charming and stylish classics ever built. It's a car that captures hearts with its looks, engages drivers with its simplicity, and rewards owners with a connection to a golden era of automotive design. Whether parked at a car show or cruising down a scenic road, it delivers a timeless experience that few cars can match.